Crunchy, healthy and very tasty couscous fritters. Prepared in air fryer. Please try this once. Take 1 cup couscous. Add 1 cup hot water. Cover and leave for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, mix well. Add 1 medium finely chopped onions, 2 tablespoon grated carrots, 2 tablespoon finely chopped bell peppers, 1 tablespoon finely chopped broccoli, 2 to 3 tablespoon finely chopped coriander, 2 green chillies finely chopped, a half teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, a quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, a half teaspoon garlic powder, a half teaspoon ginger powder, 2 tablespoons semolina, 4 tablespoon gram garbanzo flour, a half cup fresh breadcrumbs, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder. Mix well. Add 4 to 5 tablespoon water to moist it. Mix well. Grease pan with oil. Take a small portion and make any shape. In preheated air fryer. Grease basket with olive oil. Set for 20 minutes at 180 degrees C. After 5 minutes, stop and apply olive oil. After 5 minutes, stop and flip it. Apply olive oil. After 5 minutes, flip it. Once ready, take this out. Now ready to serve. Crunchy healthy couscous fritters ready to serve. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel.